Hello, hi. My name is Yang, and we're going to kickstart our diphthongs tonight. We are going to look at diphthongs. Let's start. So we have 8 diphthongs which we are going to consider tonight. And our first diphthongs, I'm going to write it so that we can start. This is our first diphthongs. A, just like the letter A, B, C, D, the letter A or this. A, that's our first diphthong. So diphthongs are actually two vowels that come together, join together, combined or blend together to form a one vowel sound. So I have, for example, and e, which we consider earlier on when we're talking about the vowel, the single vowels. So when they come together, they form a single sound called A, just like the alphabet or the letter A. Let's look at just one example because of the time. We want to make good use of the time. One example is the word day, like Sunday, Monday. So day. Let's look at the IPA. If you write the IPA, this is the grapheme or the spelling. This is the grapheme or the spelling. Let's look at the IPA or the phonemes. We're going to have this one. Then we're going to have this one. And this is going to change to this. So you're going to have A. So it's pronounced A, day. Good. Let's go to our second. Our second diphthong is oi. So let's look at, write it, then we give just an example. So these also two vowels, O and E, coming together to form oi, a single sound. And I said they are called diphthongs. So we are going to look at just a single example in a word coin. Let me use the green color. So we have COIN. That is our grapheme coin. If you want to write the IPA, it's definitely going to be, this is going to change to K. So K, oi, and so coin. So this sound here is the same as that sound over there. OI. So in the sound, OI in the grapheme change to this sound in the phonemes. So phoneme and grapheme. You can see the difference now. Let's look at the next example. There are 8. We have done 2. We have 6 more to go. The next one is I. So this can be represented with 2 sounds in the phoneme. Sorry. Let me just go over. So we can write it this way. I, or we can write it this way. I. And our example we are going to look at is in the word like. Our grapheme is going to be, our phoneme is going to be and I, or I sound, this diphthong, and the K. So I, like. Let's look at our next example. So we've done 3. We have 5 more to go. Our next diphthong is air, like the air we breathe, air, and it's represented with this diphthong, and so together forms air, just like the sound in the air we breathe, air. Example that we are going to look at is in the word the hair on our head. So I'm writing hair. So this is our hair, and our phoneme is going to be H, and this one, the whole of this is going to change to this. Remember, I said it's the same sound, air. So we're going to write our diphthong. Okay, so the whole of this changes to this one. So this is hair, hair. And in some dictionary, it can be written this way. It can be written like H N, this sound. It can be written this way in some dictionary. So this symbol can, this symbol, 3 with the column, can be represented with this air. So we can write hair this way, hair. This is hair, that's female pronoun, objective pronoun, hair. We can also write it this way, hair. Okay, so we can replace this sound with that one. We can substitute this sound with that one. So anytime they are interchangeable or replaceable. Let's go to the next one. The next we are going to look at is ear, 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 E and ear. Let's go through the example quickly. Ear, ear, ear. So let's look. So this sound, as I represent the first one, like air, this one too we can represent with a part of the body. So A and A, let me write it nicely, sorry. A and A and So this can be represented with the sound ear, part of our body, ear, ear. So we are going to have example like here. Let me use a different color. Here, here, there, remember here. So this here, if you write the IPA, it's going to be H, the whole of this is going to represent with this sound. So it's going to be here, here, h, ear, h, ear, here, okay, here, good. Let's go through our next. Our next is where. That's our next. Where. Let's go to the next one. Where. So where is represented by O or O. O and O and and it's pronounced where. And we have an example word like sure. If I write the IPA, it's going to be our S, and the whole of this is going to change to that. Okay? Sure. Sure. And sometimes it's pronounced sure. You can pronounce that sure. There I had so many pronunciations, like 3, thereabouts. So this is sure. Let's go to the next one. Our next is O. The O sound. O. So let's go to the O sound. O. And O sound is represented by and U. Let me write again. And U. And O. Together form O. The O sound, the alphabet O. Okay, O, the alphabet O. And we have example like coat. You hear the O sound, coat. So if I want to write the IPA, it's going to be K, this change to K, and this is going to be that sound. Okay, and T, K, O, T. Coat. Let's take our last one. Ow. That is the R sound and the O sound. A, O, ow, ow. That's our last sound. So we have an example word like cow, CW, cow. And if you write the IP, it's going to be K. Remember, C always changes to K in phonemes. In grapheme, C in K phonemes. In phonemes, it becomes K. It becomes K. So this OW is going to change to this sound, ow sound. So I'm going to write this. Ow, cow, k, ow, k, ow, cow. So we've been able to complete our 8 diphthongs. See you next time. Bye.